A Woman with a Bird by Victoria Chang. A bald eagle called out to another as magpies attacked their nest. Someone called it romantic. I believed her. The magpies, the ferrymen, God, the poets, everything seemed romantic in Alaska, where people breathed out white birds. When I breathed, nothing came out. The eagles sat side by side, and I wondered why they stayed long after the magpies had gone. At first, I thought the eagle was watching me. Then I realized the eagle was my life watching me. The distance between my life and myself had become too far because of my desire to find a way out of my life. When that happens, our breath comes out elsewhere, as if each day I walked in a door but came out of another door. I wondered what country my breath came out in. When the male eagle finally flew off to a distant tree, the female didn't follow. I felt something in my body attach and heard a clicking noise. I had been holding my breath for decades, while others painted my breast one white, one brown. In Alaska, my life was with me again, attached for now. I took photos of the birds to remind myself that the unsettled feeling wasn't caused by me and could be solved by traveling somewhere cold.